Designing a logo for your business is key. It sets a certain level of professionalism, and it's ultimately the foundation of your brand identity. In this tutorial, we're going to have a look at the Designhill AI Logo Creator. This tool is trusted by over 10 million business owners worldwide, and it doesn't require any design skills whatsoever. So to get started, we're going to simply enter our company name here. Let's say we have a natural skincare line, and we'd like to create a logo for our social media channels as well as our online store. We're going to call it Greenleaf Skincare. We'll be asked to choose 5 or more design styles that we like. It's important that we choose designs that best reflect our brand, as it's going to help the Design AI Logo Creator understand what it is that we're looking for. Once we've narrowed down the different designs that we'd like, we can go ahead and hit the Continue button down at the bottom. And this is where you can start to have a lot of fun with your logo. We're going to pick the colors that we like. Now, we do have the option to let the system choose the colors for us. Or if we have a color in mind, we can go ahead and select it from the options here. Now, because the logo that we're designing is for a natural skincare company, I'm going to select the green color. Again, we'll hit Continue down at the bottom. This is where we'll be able to add a slogan if we'd like. Now, it is optional, but if you do have a slogan, we can go ahead and enter it here. Another nice thing about the Designhill Logo Maker is that it will guide you along the way and give you suggestions. For example, it's suggesting that we keep our slogan nice and short. Next, we'll select the industry that we're in. And in this case, it's going to be cosmetics and beauty. Then we'll move on to the budget settings. And in our case, I'm going to put $1 to $99. And then last but not least, we'll enter our company size. Now that we've added all of our company information, I'll go ahead and hit Continue. And then we'll list a handful of different symbols that we'd like to include within our logo. And because our company is called Greenleaf Skincare, we're going to include things like a leaf, a plant, cream, a flower, and cosmetics. We'll go ahead and hit Continue. Based on our choices so far, along with the information that we've entered, the Designhill Logo Maker is going to generate hundreds of different logos for us using artificial intelligence. And what we can do here is have a look through all of the different logos that it has designed for us and pick one that we like. It's important to note that all of these logos are fully customizable. We can change things like the color, the font, the icon, and other elements to really make it our own. We're going to choose our favorite logo and then add the final touches to it. I really like the icon used in this logo here, along with the layout of the logo. The symbol here will be great for an icon or a profile picture, and the rectangular layout of the logo will be very useful on the website. We're going to hit the Edit Logo button so that we can modify and tweak the elements to our liking. If you already have an account with designhill.com, you can go ahead and log in. You can also continue as a guest, or you can sign up to ensure that you receive all of the benefits listed on the right-hand side here. And then we'll hit the Continue button here. Designhill does a great job of showing you what your logo is going to look like in the real world. So here it has mock-ups of business cards and t-shirts, and lots more. We're going to go back to the top of the page here where we can fine-tune our new logo. When it comes to the name, we can do things like change the font and the color. So I'll hit the Change button here to play around with the font. And if there's a font that we prefer, we can go ahead and update it. Next, we'll move on to the slogan, where we can do the same thing. We can play around with the font. Again, we can go ahead and change it. Over on the right-hand side here, we can do things like capitalize the slogan. We can also put it in lowercase. And then we can also play around with the letter spacing. We can even change the slogan if we'd like. And I'm going to remove the period at the end. You can also browse through other symbols here. However, I quite like the one that's in place already that Designhill picked for me. Now that we've slightly altered the fonts, the only thing left that I would personally like to change is the background color. So I'm going to go over here to background and choose from other different shades of green. Let's give this lighter version a try. Or even this one here. And you'll notice that as we make our changes, the mockups down at the bottom also change. So for example, how we change the font along with the letter spacing and the background color, you can see that it's reflected in the mockups below. It's really exciting to see your logo on products, along with other marketing material, as it gives you a sense of what your logo is going to look like when you actually start to use it. Once we're done making any last changes to our logo and we're ready to start using it, we can click on the Buy button in the top right-hand corner. Now, it's important to note that even after you purchase your logo, you can make changes. So definitely don't worry, you can come in later and edit things like the colors, the fonts, and so on. So let's go ahead and hit Buy in the top right-hand corner. And this is where we'll be able to choose a package depending on what our needs are. Designhill offers 3 different options here, so there really is something for everyone. If we take a look at the most popular option, which is the premium package, it includes some pretty key items like a high resolution logo. We also have vector and SVG files, a transparent background. Now, this can really come in handy when using your logo on your website or in any kind of graphic design work, really. We also have black and white versions, font names and colors, and it's ready to print since it's such high quality. If we scroll down further on the page, we can see that it doesn't stop there. Designhill can help you with things like business card and letterhead design, t-shirt design, social media kits, seasonal logos, animated logos, which are really cool, and lots more. And if you really want to kick things up a notch, there are also digital business cards and email signatures. And that's it. We now have a professional looking logo, all thanks to the Designhill AI logo creator. Check out the description of this video for a link to this helpful tool and start designing your brand new logo today.